Hi guys, welcome to Sit on My Bits and a quick little video today on expert option. Now, I regularly get people email me about expert option, IQ option if I'm still using them. Yes, I am. I've been using expert option for years. I've never had any problems with it at all. Withdrawals go through fine. I've made a lot of money from it. I've never had any problems at all. But I get a lot of people asking about strategies and things like that. Now, I'm just looking here at the euro against the US dollar. And you can see the overall direction from this. What I always do is look at an overall direction on where it's going. So you can see here the overall direction that's going down. Even though it's hit some high points, the overall direction is going down. So I'm going to place some trades here once hit that high point. Shit, $1,000 trades. I meant to be doing $500. But never mind. I'm confident that that will come in. One more. Now I know it looks a bit blasé, placing trades like that, big dollar, $500, $1,000 trades, but I've made so much money with expert option, I can afford to be a little bit blasé. I wouldn't recommend that though. If you're new, start off low, start off with maybe $25 trades, build your way up like I've done. But basically, the overall direction that you can see is going down. If you put a ruler from there to there, the overall direction is going down. Let's just zoom in and have a look at the crucial point. It's a little bit closer than comfort, but hopefully they should come down unless I'm very unlucky and it hits one of these spikes. But just looking at that, the overall direction, you can see it's on its way down. If you was to put a ruler from there to there, it's on its way down. So that's basically what I look for. Look for either a pattern, a reoccurring pattern, so you can sort of see what it's going to do next, or look for an overall direction like that. Lovely jubbly, they've all come in. Nice bit of profit there, lovely. Yeah, an overall direction, and you can see what way it's going. Now, I'm confident that's still coming down. If I'm lucky here, while it's on these rises, and it should come down. So yeah, basically what I've done is looked at the overall direction. Now what I'll do is I'll look at the assets and look for one that's got a pattern like that, where you can see it's on its way down. Have I caught a cold? Have I caught a cold? So if there's one where it's just up, down, up, down, up, down, I'll probably leave it and I'll wait till I'm on a direction like that. Lovely. Yep, very nice indeed. So basically that's what I've done. I'm only going to do a short video because it's Friday and I've got things to do. But yes, I'm still using expert option. It performs very well. And the way I do it is to say, look for an overall direction. You can see from that it's going down. If you was to get a ruler and put a ruler against it, I've got one here somewhere. A ruler. Put the ruler against that. You can see that it's on its way down. And then you know it's going down. All right, you can be very unlucky and you can catch it just where it takes these little spikes. But overall, that's what I've done. That's why I've said I've made enough money to be able to do big profits like that. But basically, that's what I do. Either look for a reoccurring pattern. So say you see it hits one point, it goes down, goes up, goes back down, goes up, and each time you can see it's getting a little bit lower. You can see where it's going to go and what it's going to do. Or, like I say, watch for an overall pattern. Now you do have to be careful, like you can see there. Now it's changed direction. But I would guess that that's going down. But I say I've got things to do. I've got to go out. So just a quick little video on my strategy, how I trade using expert option. And I say I've had no problems with it at all. Withdrawals and everything go through fine. There's a demo account as well that you can get comfortable with. Learn how to use it before you put your own money into it. But yeah, I've got no faults with it at all. Anyway, I've got to go out. I'll leave it with that. If you want to check out expert option for yourself, there is a link below this video. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like the videos. Don't forget to subscribe as well if you're not subscribed for the latest on trading, strategies, crypto and everything else. Let me stress, this isn't investment advice. It's just how I do it. It works for me. It has worked for me for however long. Might not work for everyone. So don't think that this is the way to trade. It's just how I do it. I just look for a direction. So I say you might have to go through a couple of assets before you can see one that has got that direction, whether it be up, whether it be down. Wait for it to go in the opposite direction and place a trade against it. And I say it works for me, it might not work for everyone. Anyway, have a good weekend and I'll be back with you next week with more updates and reviews. Thank you.